Hi and welcome to YB's maintenance videos. Today we're going to demonstrate how to clean the sensors within the MAX Rebar twin tyre range. If the tool is tying and suddenly stops and then starts bleeping 3 times, this is indicating that the sensors may need cleaning within the magazine. To solve the issue, begin by first removing the battery and the wire. By removing these, this then clearly allows you to see if the magazine sensors need cleaning. To clean the sensors, you will require alcohol spray and a cotton wool bud. Start by applying a light coating of alcohol solution to the cotton wool bud, then begin running this across the sensors to remove the dirt and debris. Finally, once clean, reinsert the wire and the battery and test to see if the tool is working again. Thank you for joining us and keep building from the ground up.